I am like 2016 passed out, then my graduation BBA and MBA from the same college. So recently I'm working in Eros International as North India marketing head, and I just hope you guys will know me more and more once you enter to the college. So if you talk about UB Group, so yes, we have a United Brethren as our alumni association of this college. So it was actually formed in 2003 and got registered in 2013. Different chapters in alumni association, as in we have certain domestic chapters and we have international chapters. So chapters the reunions that Pan India will and beyond the boundaries. So in Pan India, we already have Mumbai, Pune chapter where we already held up reunion alumni reunion there. And we have a Delhi chapter that we have a entire event held at the end of the year in Bharati Vidyapeeth known as Mila. Yeah. So we as alumni are always there to help you out in whatever terms you ask us for, as in for your grooming, for your internship, for
Ma'am,
your
you're no,
placement.
you are
We are
no more
here for
audible
anything.
and not visible properly.
Am I audible now? Hello.
There's a bit lag in your voice.
Am I audible now? My connection. Yeah, am I audible now? Hello. If anyone of you can let me audible. Hello. Just let me know if I'm audible right now or not.
Yes, ma'am, you are.
Now am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, fine. So before starting the entire session, let me have a huge hi from each one of you. And on the count of three, so I'll be counting one, two, three. You just have to say hi, right? Ready? So you just have to unmute yourself. Okay? Hello, on the count of three. One, two, three.
Hi.
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 अरे
Hi.
धीरे रूम में कोई बैठा है आसपास हाई भी नहीं कर रही अभी अच्छे से हाँ Okay, again. On the count of three. One, two, and three.
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Hey. Hi. Okay. So basically, obviously, मोटा मोटा पता चल गया होगा because of the voice thing nagging. अगर आपको कहीं कुछ problem लगा हो या नहीं सुना हो तो just let me know कि कुछ समझ नहीं आया या जहाँ से आप लोग नहीं सुन पाए थे. And I'll be repeating everything there. So you need to let me know that. Okay, you guys got it? What is Alumni Brethren, United Brethren is all about? Someone has to say yes or no because I just have to be very interactive and you guys have to support. Yeah. Okay. So
Ma'am, you are not audible
moving
properly.
forward, am I still not audible properly?
No, ma'am, and not visible also properly.
ma'am.
Hmm. Audible now? Hello.
Yes. Yes.
Oh,
Yes,
oh,
ma'am.
oh. So, okay, if we talk about United Brethren, so I already told you that it is actually a alumni association which is associated with Bharatiya Vidyapeeth. We have all the reputed alumni in the association, and then we guys actually help you groom yourself, and to wherever you need our help, we guys are always there. So. If you talk about your internship, your placements, your grooming session, your guest lectures, we guys are always there to groom you guys, right? So in case of any other help also, formally, informally, we guys are there. You guys can always connect to us and you can ask about anything that you really wanted to. And as an organization, as an association, I would actually like to share that we have a tremendous support from the organization, that we are actually, celebrating our this alumni association every year, uh, once in a year, named as Milab. So we have a huge gathering in our college wherein you guys actually help us to gather all the alumni since 1994 to to welcome them in our organization, so that they can come, they can share their own reviews, they can actually share their experiences, and you never know, you guys can get a chance to work with them as well. So this is what alumni association is all about. And what else do you want to know about our college? Because I guess abhi to sari online class. Acha, you guys are comfortable in Hindi, English? Just let me know.
Yes, ma'am.
हिंदी इंग्लिश सब चलेगा?
Yes, ma'am.
मुझे मुझे
Yes,
प्लीज
ma'am,
बताना
absolutely.
जिसमें आप लोग कंफर्टेबल हो, बिकॉज आई विल बी ओनली शेयरिंग माय व्यूज ऑन व्हिचएवर लैंग्वेज यू गाइस आर कंफर्टेबल इन. मुझे पता है आप लोग बीबीए फर्स्ट ईयर में हो, अभी अभी स्कूल से निकल कर आए हो, सो जस्ट लेट मी नो. ठीक है. एंड सो कॉलेज के बारे में अभी कितना जान गए हैं सब? हु इज द डायरेक्टर ऑफ आवर कॉलेज? व्हाट इज हिज नेम?
Dr. Vikas, ma'am.
ओके. एंड टिल देन अब तक जितनी भी क्लासेस हुई हैं, जितने भी ओरिएंटेशन सेशंस लिए हैं, whom do you think was your favorite teacher till yet? अभी तक? No favorites?
Surbhi Mahendru.
Surbhi, okay, and Are you guys didn't have an interaction session with your class coordinators? No, yes, no, don't know.
We are not dividing into sections yet.
Okay, you guys are not divided into sections. Cool. So, abhi college कब से खुल रहे हैं? Any idea? When you guys are entering to the college, have you seen the college?
No, ma'am.
Virtual tour we had.
Not yet. Anji?
Virtual tour we had, ma'am.
Virtual you did. Okay. So basically, if we talk about the college life is really amazing. And पहले clear कर देती हूँ, it is not at all a Karan Johar movie वाला college. So आपको वैसा college नहीं मिलेगा देखने के लिए. But you'll be having your uniforms. I guess वो बता दिया होगा सारे teachers ने. And you'll be having your formal attires. You'll be having your particular attendance that you have to actually maintain, which is 75%. And there are certain rules in the organization now which are really strict. And obviously, you have to adhere those rules and regulations. And we do have a lot of events. We do have societies, musical societies. We do have sports club. We have dramatics club. We have dance society. We have a lot of societies that are being introduced. So, if we talk about the entire college, so you are going to have a good time in the college, because you will not get, even you guys are really lucky, because हमारे टाइम पे आपकी तो शायद 4-5 घंटे की क्लासेस होंगी. हमारे टाइम पे when I entered the college in 2011, so my BBA session used to held like from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. in the evening, right? So you guys are lucky. You guys have short classes, and then you guys can have fun after that, right? So you want to ask
Excuse
something from the
me,
college? Yeah, yeah.
ma'am. There's a lot of strictness regarding the formals and everything in the college.
It's strictness as in what? See, if you talk
Like they
about
fine us
the
if there's a fine of 500 rupees and everything regarding the not wearing formals and wearing formals and not wearing casuals, something like that.
yeah, see, because it's a B school, it's not at all a college, I'll tell you. B school is a business school where you guys are groomed in such a way that you guys are, if you guys are entering to a corporate world, you should not look awkward wherein you guys are not used to your attire. So here you guys are groomed like basic से ही आपको ऐसा groom कर दिया जाता है that you guys are actually in your formals. So when you after 3 years you compare yourself to a DU or to a IP person ना IP candidate तो आपको खुद को एक अलग confidence and एक अलग ही level पे you'll feel yourself. Your name is Garima, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So yeah.
Ma'am, which teacher is very strict so we are safe from starting?
I don't know who all are going to teach you, but many times a lot of teachers has been changed. But yeah, Rupam ma'am is really cool. जिन्होंने अभी मुझे introduce करा and I don't know who all teachers are going to teach you. But the basic thing is यहाँ पे college में सारे teachers बहुत cool हैं. Until unless आप उनको परेशान नहीं कर रहे हो. So this is all about your karmas. आप अपने अच्छे कर्मा रखोगे, you will get good thing. If you will be like in a bad notes, then you will be getting all those bad notes only. फिर आप लगा लो आपका फर्स्ट ईयर का इम्प्रेशन जो भी आप अभी जमाते हो वो अगले फिर 3 साल तक वैसे ही रहता है एंड इट एक्चुअली बहुत मेहनत लगती है फिर आपके उस एक इम्प्रेशन को चेंज करने में सो मेक श्योर दैट यू गाइज आर एक्चुअली एंटरिंग टू अ कॉलेज वो एकदम सलमान खान की वो प्रेम वाली इमेज नहीं या बट हाँ मस्ती करो पूरी अच्छे से पूरा अपना कॉलेज लाइफ एंजॉय करो बॉदर नहीं करो किसी को बट इतना भी परेशान मत कर देना दैट यू गाइस आर बीइंग यू नो कुछ भी कोई फाइन वाइन करा जा रहा है या फिर पेरेंट्स को बुलाया जा रहा है बिकॉज दीज आर द स्ट्रिक्ट रूल्स व्हिच आर एक्चुअली इम्प्लीमेंटेड नाउअडेज सो ध्यान रखो थोड़ा सा
Ma'am, what about the
yeah.
internships?
So internships you'll be actually have to do in your second year or maybe in final year probably depends. So internships mein you guys can do on your own or you can ask help from CRC which Neelam ma'am is heading. So there you will be actually getting a lot of companies wherein you guys can go and get your internships done. They are either paid and some are not, but you'll be getting your internship certificates from every company. And in case if you're not getting any company from the college, just let us know. Your alumni are going to help you in that also. Because we have
Okay,
certain
ma'am.
big organizations, even a lot of people, me including me, there are 14 people also who are actually at a good post in good organizations. These guys will help you out for your internships or for your placements as well. So you don't have to worry about your internships or placements. So they are really good at college also. At college level only you will get enough ample companies to sit in.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Another question. कुछ नहीं पूछना अपने कॉलेज के बारे में आई एम योर एलुमनाई ओनली सो डोंट ट्रीट मी एज टीचर और समथिंग सो आई बी गिविंग यू एक्चुअली द एग्जैक्ट फीडबैक दैट आई हैव गॉट थ्रू 2016 में ही पास आउट होके निकले बस 4 साल पहले ही तो ज्यादा टाइम भी नहीं हुआ है guys can actually or you want to share me want me to share my experience or let's let you know
Yes, ma'am. Share your experience.
my experience okay so when I entered to the college in 2011 it was I'm very short at height I'm 5'2" and when I entered to the college it was 2011 and एक होता है ना when you get demotivated watching other people having good height good pace so टॉक्सिक है, सबके लाइफ में एक टाइम आता है where you get actually demotivated, अरे यार सब ऐसे अच्छे हैं, तो what you are going to do in the college. So I'll suggest you guys to be yourself. आपके अंदर जो टैलेंट है उसको एक्सप्लोर करो, बिकॉज ये 3 साल जिंदगी में वापस कभी नहीं आने वाले। इन 3 साल में जो आप अच्छा कर जाओगे, आप अपने पीछे एक छाप छोड़ जाओगे, एंड दिस इज व्हाट द कॉलेज इज गोइंग टू टेक केयर ऑफ। बिकॉज आप ये देखो, अब मेरी क्लास में भी 40 बैच का अगर एक 40 बच्चों का अगर एक क्लासरूम होता था, वी यूज्ड टू हैव 3 सेक्शन। सो 120 में से अगर एक मैं, अगर मुझे पहचाना जाता है, तो दैट आई हैव डन समथिंग इन माय कॉलेज लाइफ, दैट दे एक्चुअली रिकॉग्नाइज मी एंड दे रिकॉग्नाइज मी टिल द लास्ट ब्रेथ ऑफ माय लाइफ। या तो वो चीज आप कैसे करना है अभी, तो वो आपके ऊपर होना चाहिए। नाउ इफ यू हैव अ टैलेंट, take it forward. You will get ample chances, enough chances to prove yourself in the college. You have fairs, you have different आप लगा लो हर महीने में आपकी कुछ ना कुछ एक्टिविटी होती रहती है, so push yourself in those activities. If you're good at studies, if you're good at dancing, poetry, you have anything that you know that other person doesn't have better than you, then just explore it in the college. Show your skills, what you have, and do not worry about bullying or what teachers are going to say, what your seniors are going to say. Seniors are really cool. Seniors, यहाँ पे रैगिंग तो होती नहीं है, सबसे बड़ी बात। So आपको ये सोचने की भी जरूरत नहीं है कि what they are going to say or not. So do whatever you want to do in your life, right? लेकिन एक होता है ना, अपनी लाइन मेंटेन करके रखना हमेशा, so that people should know that what you guys are actually doing, and there should be a difference between शैतानी और बदतमीजी में एक बस छोटी सी लाइन होती है, उसको मेंटेन करके। दैट इज व्हाट आई सजेस्ट। सो मेरा जो 5 साल रहा है वो सिर्फ इसलिए रहा है क्योंकि आई वाज गुड एट एंकरिंग। So I am actually a person who has actually hosted 160 plus shows in pan India. So वो जो एंकरिंग का मेरा जो टैलेंट था वो भी मैंने अपने कॉलेज लाइफ में आके निकाला है। So it is 5 years of my college life, and 5 साल में कॉलेज में आप देखोगे जब भी एंकरिंग होती थी तो it was me who was on the stage. So there was my tagline, that is show तो मचा दो. It was every time. So I entered to the college. अभी भी ना लोग उसी से याद करते हैं. So okay, this is the tagline that she used to use. So ये मैंने खुद बनाया था to pop up the crowd. So and I was good at dancing and I was good at coordinating events. So मैं पढ़ाई में बहुत अच्छी नहीं थी, to be very frank. So मैं आपको बता देती हूँ that being only good in studies doesn't make any sense in your college. क्योंकि हमने स्कूल पास कर लिया है, and when you are actually sitting for a placement also, ठीक है, there is a consideration of your studies, your marks, but एक्स्ट्रा आपने क्या किया है अपनी लाइफ में, what extra do you have actually matters a lot in your corporate life. So अपने को ना कहीं पे भी restrict करके मत रखना हो कि this is the thing I'm going to do. नहीं, explore अपने आप को, just खोल दो, open your windows, एवरीथिंग। जहाँ पे भी आपको लगता है आप एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो, जहाँ पे भी आपको लगता है आप चीज़ें ग्रैब कर सकते हो, नई चीज़ें सीख सकते हो, जस्ट गो अहेड। कॉलेज में कोई आपको रोकने टोकने वाला नहीं है। 5 घंटे की क्लास होती है, उससे पहले उसके बाद बहुत टाइम होता है। आपको क्लासेस से अपने घूमने जाना, आप घूमो फिरो। कॉलेज में बहुत अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें हैं। यू हैव पंजाबी बाग मार्केट, यू हैव गोला मार्केट, यू हैव एनएसपी। आप जाओ, घूमो फिरो, मस्ती मारो अच्छे से, लेकिन पढ़ाई भी उसी हिसाब से करनी है कि आपकी अटेंडेंस भी मेंटेन, बिकॉज अटेंडेंस का रिस्क मत लेना प्लीज, बिकॉज दे हैव अ वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट रूल्स ऑन दैट ऑल्सो। तो 75% अटेंडेंस के भी अगर आपको 10 मार्क्स मिल रहे हैं, फ्री के 10 मार्क्स सिर्फ 75% मेंटेन करने के, तो फिर क्या बुरा है यार। प्लीज इतना तो मेंटेन कर ही सकते हैं, राइट? एंड या सो you have a good playground, you have all the canteens in the college. जो लोग foodie हैं, like I was very foodie, तो हमारे टाइम पे तो कैंटीन भी नहीं होती थी, हमारे पास सिर्फ एक कैंटीन होती थी, that you will see in after the green circle. तो कैंटीन एरिया में उस टाइम पे एक ही कैंटीन होती थी, तब भी हम लोग वहाँ पे बैठ के खाना खाते थे। एंड अभी यू हैव ऑल द चौरंगी, यू हैव नेस्कैफे, यू हैव पता नहीं बहुत सारी कैंटीन्स दे आर एंटर्ड इनटू द कॉलेज। सो बाहर जाने की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, यू हैव ऑल द एमिनिटीज इन द कॉलेज, एंड आई गेस यू गाइस आर नॉट गोइंग टू गेट बोर्ड इन द कॉलेज, दैट इज फॉर श्योर। थोड़ा सा भी टाइम मिलता है, that you guys have wanted to have fun, you guys can have fun in the college itself. और पूछो।
Ma'am, so after BBA, did you directly go for MBA or did you do job?
It depends upon you. See, there are a lot of people who actually prefer BBA के बाद पहले 1.5 साल का हम experience लेते हैं for our corporate life and then we come back for our MBA, which is true. But when you get into your earning thing, जब आप एक बार आप कमाना शुरू करते हो, then उसके बाद पढ़ाई करना is literally थोड़ा सा problematic हो जाता है. But there are a lot of, see, it's all depends upon you. You want to get an experience and then come back and do your MBA, most welcome. You want to do BBA after MBA, BBA and then MBA and then go for a good placement, it's your choice. Because मुझे नहीं लगता ज़्यादा फर्क पड़ता. It's just that you get some practical experience and you come back and do your MBA. यहाँ पे क्या होता है, when you are into BBA, you get some internship programs. You just have to go and do some internships. वो आप एक company में करते ही हो. You get to know about the company, the working, the corporate style, work life. And then when you entered into MBA, तो आपको एक live project करना होता है by getting into any of the company, right? तो वहाँ पे भी आपको एक अच्छा चांस मिलता है to get into the company, वहाँ का work life देखने के लिए, वहाँ का work style देखने के लिए, how these guys work, and आपको फिर वहाँ पे ना पता चलता है कि आप किस सेक्शन में एक्सप्लोर करना चाहते हो. बीबीए के बाद आप जाओगे कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ में कुछ करने के लिए. वेयर डू यू वांट टू नो, आप कैसे पता चलेगा दैट वेयर डू यू वांट टू गो फॉर एचआर, यू वांट टू गो फॉर फाइनेंस, यू वांट टू गो फॉर मार्केटिंग, यू वांट टू गो फॉर आई इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस, व्हाट डू यू वांट टू डू. सो बीबीए में सेकेंड ईयर में आके भी हम लोग पता है अभी जो बाइफिकेशन करते हैं वो भी सिर्फ अपने दोस्तों की वजह से करते हैं. अच्छा ये ले रहे तो हम भी ले लेते हैं. when you enter into MBA ना, तब आपको थोड़ा क्लैरिटी आती है कि हमने ये BBA में पढ़ा था, this was marketing, this was HR, this was something something XYZ, जो भी चलते जो भी आपके courses हैं, उसमें you get more clarity. जब आपके पास more clarity आती है तो आप उस सब्जेक्ट में ज़्यादा घुसते हो. एंड आई टेल यू बेसिकली जब आप कॉर्पोरेट में जाते हो आपकी पढ़ाई लिखाई से रिलेटेड ज़्यादा कुछ होता नहीं है. इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट वहाँ पे जाके भी आपकी ट्रेनिंग होती है. यू गेट एवरीथिंग टू लर्न, राइट? सो मेरे ख्याल से तो आपको पहले BBA MBA कर लेनी चाहिए एंड देन गो फॉर योर जॉब थिंग. पढ़ाई एक बार अपनी कंप्लीट कर लीजिए एंड देन स्टार्ट अर्निंग. Rest is yours. If you want to get experience and come back and do MBA, you are most welcome. कोई आपको मना तो करेगा नहीं obviously.
Are you working in any company at present?
I just actually मेरा introduction नहीं सुना था. मैंने बोला मे बी शायद वहाँ पे उस टाइम पे वॉइस लैग था. ओके, सो आई एम करेंटली वर्किंग इन Eros International. Probably आप लोग जानते होंगे Eros International. It's a media company and I'm working there as a North India marketing head. Am I audible? Give your answer?
Ma'am, you got
Yes.
placed from the
Yes.
college itself.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
not from. Yeah. So no, from the college, Eros was my own choice, my own discovery. So I got placed in because I was more into events and my interest was more in events. So I actually entered in a that Lifelink Movies. It's a company wherein they used to make some corporate movies and ad shoots kind of thing. So this was the company that actually entered to the college, and this was the first time ever got the chance to get into a company. Wherein जब मैं इस इंटरव्यू में बैठी थी तो I was actually asked that what extra you have done except from your studies. So my anchoring part, my coordination and everything was asked. And they actually asked you from your live examples, right? So उस time पे I got selected with a good package from the company. And तब बहुत खुशी होती है जब you get a good package and then आपकी बड़ी सी फोटो लगती है बाहर कॉलेज के बाहर, that this candidate with this batch, this company has got this package. So yeah, कॉलेज से लगी थी जो प्लेसमेंट वो लाइफलिंक मूवीज में लगी थी. बिकॉज फिर मुझे वो छोड़नी पड़ी बिकॉज शूट्स और मूवीज में आपको टाइम स्लॉट का नहीं पता होता. सो दे आर यू आर बीइंग आस्क्ड टू कम एट एनी टाइम बिकॉज जब भी शूट प्लान होता है यू हैव टू गो. तो चाहे दिन हो चाहे रात हो, यू हैव टू बी देयर, राइट? सो ठीक है, तो there were certain problems I had to leave that company because now I have joined Eros International, so we have a particular work life experience that's going on there. So अभी आप जितनी भी सीरीज देखते हो और उनकी जो प्रमोशंस चल रही हैं, they are all being done through my company. हम ही लोग हैं उसके पीछे. बैनर बनाना, मार्केटिंग उसको कैसे करना है, क्या नहीं करना है. That is what I mean. Yeah. So college से you get chances, ample chances to get into a placement thing. So आपको हमेशा आपके जोन की कंपनी अगर आती है तो you just set into it ना. ड्रीम होना बहुत जरूरी है लाइफ में. अगर एक है ना आपका सपना कि आपको ये करना है एंड यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ पॉजिटिव थॉट्स, तो उसको लेके उसको चेस करो एंड you'll find something good in that for sure.
Ma'am, comparatively, your BBA experience was better or MBA in BVIMR?
Yeah, to be very frank, my both the experiences were really good because BBA was my starting life, and MBA I did because I really don't wanted to leave Bharati Vidyapeeth. So टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक, बिकॉज एक कॉलेज से इतना प्यार हो गया था तो एक था कि कॉलेज अगर एमबीए करनी है तो इसी कॉलेज से करनी है, बिकॉज इतना प्यार मिला है ना अभी बच्चों से, अपने जूनियर से, सीनियर से एंड टीचर्स, तो कॉलेज छोड़ने का मन नहीं करा. तो अगर एमबीए करनी ही थी तो आई थॉट कि लेट्स डू इट फ्रॉम भारतीय विद्यापीठ ओनली. एंड ऑब्वियसली मुझे एचआर मार्केटिंग पसंद थी तो मैंने एमबीए भी एचआर मार्केटिंग में ही किया बिकॉज यू हैव ड्यूअल स्पेशलाइजेशन अवेलेबल इन दिस कॉलेज. So yeah, and if you talk about better experience, then yeah, it was a BBA because 3 साल मैंने कॉलेज में बहुत मस्ती मारी है. So अभी मैं आज में जो भी हूँ, it is just because my BBA time was really good.
Okay, ma'am.
इसलिए मैं
Okay.
कहती हूँ BBA में अपना बेस बना लो अच्छा सा, तो so that you won't be having any problem afterwards. Even पता है क्या, अगर आप अपना खुद का अच्छा बेस बनाते हो ना, you have such sweet and cool teachers in the college. तो आपको हर कहते हैं हर स्टेप पे आपको बहुत हेल्प करते हैं, हर स्टेप पे आपको बहुत हेल्प. इवन दे आर अवेलेबल एवरी टाइम. अगर आप बात या someone was saying something, sorry. Okay. So they are so cool कि आपको आप जब भी उनसे बात करना चाहते हो, जब भी आप उनसे कनेक्ट होना चाहते हो, they are available 24/7. आप कभी भी उनसे बात कर सकते हो. So एमबी में आते आते हमारा टीचर्स के साथ रिलेशनशिप वाज नॉट ओनली एज अ स्टूडेंट एंड टीचर, इट वाज ऑलमोस्ट अ फ्रेंड. इवन रूपम मैम वुड अग्री ऑन दिस. आज की डेट में वी आर नॉट ओनली स्टूडेंट एंड अ टीचर वाला रिलेशनशिप हम लोग लेके चल रहे हैं. देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ आपकी रिलेशनशिप स्टेटस फिर बढ़ता चला जाता है. इट इज मोर देन दैट.
Obviously. We, in fact,
See,
Rupal and many of the students, we still have such great relationship, not just as teachers and students, but also at a friendly level. Yeah.
yeah. And when Rupa ma'am entered to the college, there was a huge mistaken. We were so mistakenly taken as Rupam and Rupal. Once,
Yes,
like
because
ma'am
our
was so
names are
irritated.
almost
Arey
similar.
Baba, I am. Yeah. Ma'am was like, Arey Baba, I am Rupam, not Rupal. Even a lot of people used to call me Rupam. Abhi bhi college mein aao na, a lot of people will call me Rupam. So
And and
it's
even now, many of the MBA teachers like Anjali ma'am, Shalu ma'am, Neetu ma'am still call me Rupal. They don't call me Rupam.
this is
Yes.
what happens, and you won't feel like a teacher and a student wala relationship. Yeah. So you have you have good teachers, you have good infrastructure, you have good seniors, you have good everything. You have a good you have good team. That's it. You have a good package that you are entering to the good college. I assure you that if you are entering to this college, you'll never regret for anything. Whether it is all about events, if it's all about infra, if it's all about studies, if it's all about placements, if it's all about you name anything. Yeah. हो सकता है हवा उड़ाई हूँ बहुत लोगों ने, लेकिन
Ma'am,
as a senior, I yeah.
ma'am, how
Sorry.
is the sports in Bharatiya Vidyapeeth? What's the criteria
How?
for
Sorry.
sports?
Sports. So
Yes.
there is a sports committee. Like someone is heading that committee.
Pankaj
If you
Sani
guys
sir.
can go and
Yeah, Pankaj Sani
yeah,
sir is heading that
Pankaj
group. Yeah.
Sani. Yeah, so you guys can go and have a word with him because I guess he'll have a session with you guys also. So you guys can actually ask him, sir, what is the criteria of getting into the sports club? So he'll be the best person to actually explain everything about it.
We have
Because
specially sports week also. In our college, we will be having our sports week in the month of January.
Yeah, seventh,
Yeah,
eighth, nine, sixth,
yeah.
seventh, eighth, and seventh, eighth, ninth. Yeah. So
Thank you.
we have
Thank
3 days sports days, and one day it is actually dedicated to teachers also. So we'll be actually watching teachers playing all the sports. So it's a fun.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Anything else that you really wanted to ask me about the college, about anything, career?
Ma'am, which all company come here for placements?
About all the companies. If it's your BBA first year, BBA just focus on your studies, your career will be actually decided in final year. So there are a lot of company. You actually name any big company which is not coming here. American Express. You have a lot of companies are there. Yeah. सब आते हैं, सब आते हैं. अगर नहीं आते तो you are being sent there. उसमें कोई problem नहीं है. You can actually get a referral also from the same
In
organization.
fact, there was a session by Neelam Sharma ma'am. Yeah, if you want to
Yeah.
go through the names of the companies that are coming for campus placement, you can definitely go through the YouTube link I have shared for the session of CRC, that is Corporate Resource Center.
Right.
It has all the details about the placement, what are the companies that comes, and what are the in fact Neelam Sharma ma'am has also an interactive session with you all. So what are the companies coming for MBA and for BBA? Just like ma'am told us that even in your session only, that for BBA, even for final placement as well as for summer internship, yes, the amount of package is little lower than that of MBA. It is understood because for a undergraduate student, the placement amount, the package or that is salary offered is much lower than that of the MBA. So it is understood. So whoever wants to apply for job post BBA, so definitely they can, and work our college offers such placement. But many of the BBA students, they only don't want to, because they want to pursue for higher education, right? Yes, Rupal, please carry on. I just
Yeah.
wanted
So
to.
you have also gotten a response for someone who's asking actually that we should do BBA and then we should go for corporate and then we should come for MBA. So you have got an answer. It's all about the package that actually matters. If you're good at smaller package and you want to go and have do your corporate, enjoy your corporate life, go ahead. But I'll suggest complete your studies, do MBA, BBA, MBA, have good degree in your hand, and then get a good package, make your parents proud, and get job in a good company. Yeah. Any other
Ma'am,
questions?
what
If someone
societies were you a part of?
so okay, so when I was actually doing my MBA, so we were the only one, me and Rupa ma'am, who actually created our dance
Dance
society.
society,
So
yes.
yeah, so dance society was the first society of our college that was actually really special. So after that only there were a lot of societies which actually got into the place. So yeah, the dance society and social club I was a part of. So, ma'am, dance society is still there? You're
Yes,
heading
yes,
that?
dance society is still there. Actually, last year, as I was in maternity leave, so I couldn't be
Okay.
part of it. But yes,
Yeah.
from now onwards only, I will go completely into making it a renovation, renovation of the dance society. Adik, our
Yeah.
music society is still there. I'm still
Uh-huh.
interacting with all the students in our virtual WhatsApp group. But for dance
Super.
society, now all the team members has dissolved because last year we didn't participate much.
Yeah, yeah. I have to know. Okay, so dance society, ma'am is heading. So if when someone is good at dancing, she's the right person to contact with. And you guys have auditions for if you want to get into any of the club, you guys have auditions. So आपको छोटा सा audition देना पड़ता है. You guys can enter to the society then. Yeah. Prepare yourself, give an audition, and get into the society. That's it. That's the only criteria you have.
Yes, Rupal. Students, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Do you have any other question for Rupal? Rupal, ma'am?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, Rupal, if you want to
Yeah,
add
ma'am.
something more, please go ahead. Otherwise, we would like to conclude this session. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
please add.
finally, I'll just suggest that you guys are entering to your best part of your life. Just go ahead with your BBA and enjoy your college life. Do not worry about your only studies. Explore yourself to any extent that you really wanted to, and so that after 3 years आपको regret नहीं रहना चाहिए कि अरे यार college में हमने ये नहीं किया, because you have a lot of faculties who are ready to actually give support, and you have super good seniors, you have super good infra, you have super good facilities available in the college. So maintain your attendance, just do whatever you want to do, and enjoy, just enjoy, right? अभी 3 साल pressure नहीं लेना है. Keep your mind calm and just do whatever you want to do. Be the one who you are and do whatever you want to do. Yeah, that is it. So anyone else do you want to connect me? You can connect me on any of the social media, and you can get my number from ma'am. If you really wanted to have some word with me, then I'm available. Yeah,
In
that is
fact, Rupal Prajapati is a social media sensation. She has a good numbers of followers in both Instagram and Facebook.
yeah.
Okay, I
So I
can
was
send her
actually
number
heading
and as
TikTok.
well as her link of her Insta and FB handle.
Yeah, sure. Chalo. Anything
Okay.
needed from my end, just let me know. And
Yes.
Mary, hello.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, Rupal.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you
ma'am.
so
Yeah,
much.
thank you so
Okay.
much.
So
Bye.
I'm done.
Stay blessed.
Bye
Take care.
bye. Okay, I'm downloading the attendance, and moreover, many of the students, I would just like to add up here. Just someone is asking whether to join or start working post BBA or MBA, right? Many have this question. Yeah. So, like from my experience, right? I have a 5 years of experience in corporate and human resource management, especially, and I have lot many friends who are still working in human resource management in various corporates. So, like Rupal Prajapati has told that yes, it's up to your choice whether to start working just post your BBA, or you have to just jump to your higher studies, that is MBA. Yes, it is completely is your choice. But from the perspective of a recruiter, from a company's point of view, I would like to add up here, like for a company, what a company, for example, is a normally baat karo, I know you don't know the much terminology about human resource management kya hai, right? Why, who takes the interview from a company, right? So mainly jaise human resource management or HR subject hai, right? जो HR department है of every company, they are mainly responsible for taking a new employee, right? That is called recruitment. There is a process we will understand much in our third semester when we will study this subject. But what I am going to add here कि for a company, क्यों एक कंपनी एक एम्प्लॉय को लेना चाहेंगे? क्या उनका एजुकेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन देख के या उनको काम आता है वो देख के, right? For a company, it is always profitable for employing some new candidate or new employee who are skilled, right? Who are skilled, who are having a prior knowledge of working, right? That means experience matters. In fact, experience matter even more, not more, but has some weightage even over your educational qualification, right? Ki, like I have seen, like there is two perspective. Maybe one candidate is from IIM, right? He has done his MBA from IIM, or maybe maybe for ICFA Hyderabad, right? Or maybe there is one person who is just BBA, but he is having 3 years of experience, right? Now, for the company, it is up to them whether they need a skilled employee or they need a qualified employee, right? But for a experienced employee, for a company, their training and development cost will be reduced. That means for many company, they prefer graduate students, but with higher experience. I have many friends who are working in Deloitte and EY, right? And like such big corporates like Ernst and Young and Deloitte, why they would like to hire people who are just graduate? Because टू एम्प्लॉय ग्रेजुएट राइट टू ग्रेजुएट ग्रेजुएट का सैलरी कम होता है जैसे मैंने भी बोला कि ग्रेजुएट का जो सैलरी पैकेज है इट्स मच लोअर देन दैट ऑफ एमबीए राइट फॉर एग्जांपल you join KPMG or EY at just a small salary of 20,000 right 20,000 आपने join किया and after 3 years after all this experience working in that corporate you are now in a position of 60,000 or 80,000 and similarly there is a other person who preferred to take admission in MBA आज से 10 लाख रुपए खर्च करके MBA में एडमिशन लिया right so now he is also applying for a job in KPMG or Deloitte now Deloitte के पास दो कैंडिडेट है one who is just a BBA but 3 years of experience and there is another candidate who is an MBA and with zero experience so whom Deloitte would like to recruit definitely the person who is having higher experience right क्योंकि उनको भी 80,000 सैलरी देना पड़ेगा और MBA को भी 80,000 सैलरी देना पड़ेगा अंडरस्टूड द चॉइस इज योर्स किसी को अभी डाउट है व्हाट आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड यस और किसी ने सुना नहीं so this is my perspective as from my experience as a recruiter right from my experience previous experience in corporate so how companies prefer to recruit a new employee right experience and educational qualification जो MBA होगा higher educational qualification है but then you have to incur cost for training but for a BBA student or for a just a mere graduate but he is having higher experience but the cost incurred on him on training will be much lower right for many cases graduate students are preferred more right because जो experience ज़्यादा matter करता है so it's up to you मैं तो बहुत लोगों को यही बहुत मेरे alumni जो है काफी एक students है whom I advise कि BBA के बाद if you are skilled enough आपका अगर maybe communication skill अच्छा है many finance student I have advised them to take some course in business analytics or some advanced Excel and maybe for marketing student go for a digital marketing course right and if you get through some good corporate then stay there then work right then you will have a experience will help you lot to get a better package और अगर आप में वो कैलिबरिटी नहीं है कि you go through a good corporate post BBA then definitely go for MBA में अपना skill develop करो MBA के टाइम पे when you become more confident more skilled then apply for job got it so there is two different perspective ऐसा नहीं है कि BBA करके जॉब करना गलत है या MBA करके जॉब करना सही है it is up to you but I have given both the pros and cons for both BBA and MBA okay thank you so much I have downloaded the attendance
मैम
yes
Thank
yes
you, ma'am.
अगर बिजनेस या स्टार्टअप में जाना हो तो एमबीए करना प्रेफरेबल रहेगा
yes why not yes in fact after BBA even if start working in a you are talking about starting your own company or you are talking about joining in some startup
ओन कंपनी
of course why not but yes because after BBA you will be just like 21 or 22 years of old right so definitely you need little bit of experience right maybe in your own family business or maybe working in some other company like one of my student he is just fresh graduate right he just passed out 2 years back so what he did So he didn't want to go for MBA immediately. He wanted to have some job experience. So he worked in a steel company, right, in Orissa, and he has worked from grassroots level, right? So he has worked very hard for 1 year. Now he has started his own steel company, steel manufacturing in Haryana, राइट सो इट अप टू यू कि यस आपका जब कोई एक्सपीरियंस नहीं होता है देयर इज ए मोर चांस ऑफ रिस्क ऑफ फेलियर राइट सो एक्सपीरियंस फॉर एग्जांपल साहिल you want to start your business in for example shoe manufacturing, right? You want to start your own company, so why not you join some company, not for salary but for experience, to gain knowledge, work in some company, gain some knowledge in 1 year, then from all your knowledge you gathered from the company, right, start your business. And I also teach entrepreneurship development in BBA third semester. So government has given has so many initiative for startup and entrepreneur, because entrepreneur not only just create job or employment for themselves but also create an employment for other also. So it's always for government also, entrepreneurs help in job creation, in employment generation, right? So government has various initiative like Startup India, Stand Up India, Digital India. And if you visit the website of Ministry of Corporate Affairs, that is mca.government.in, right? You can just visit the website of Ministry of Corporate Affairs or Startup India, and you can get through various initiative. आपको tax concession मिल जाएगा, you will get loan, startup loan, right, at a very low rate of interest. So you have to be just aware what are the schemes given by government for startup, for entrepreneurs. If you are a woman entrepreneur, you will get lot many opportunities, right? So yes, startup is always good, but yes, if you are having a little experience, then the risk of failure will be much lower. Yes, anyone else?
Ma'am, for
Other-
MBA in Bharati Vidyapeeth, so we need to crack the common admission test that is held.
Yes. There is BBU MAT. So we don't consider MAT or CAT, right? Just that the common entrance test for management colleges. So we have our own exam, that is BBU MAT, Bharati Vidyapeeth University Management Entrance Test. So you have to give that entrance test. Even when I applied for PhD, right? Even I had to go through that entrance test. So we have our own university. So we have different colleges under Bharati Vidyapeeth University Pune, and university conduct entrance test for all its colleges. There will be common entrance test for our university colleges. Yes.
Okay.
So may I conclude the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much. And whenever you will have any other confusion related to maybe future endeavors, how you should proceed for your future, right? Because now we have seen that all our students, they are very competitive. They are now futuristic that what I will do after 3 years. Maybe 10 years back, I was not in that mindset, right? Because in that time period, people in their early 20s are not supposed to start their own job or start their own company. But now people are thinking, वही मैं बोल रही थी कि after BBA also you have ample of opportunity. You can start your own business venture. You can even start working somewhere. लेकिन yes, go through some company where there is working experience, where you can gather knowledge and skill, not just for time pass, right? अगर आपको सच में experience चाहिए, go through a good company, even at a lower salary. 15,000 मिल रहा है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. It's KPMG, it's a good brand. After having a 3 years of experience in KPMG or ENY, you will get a much higher package even than that of a MBA. So why not? लेकिन ये है कि if you have taken the decision of working post BBA and not doing a higher education, right, that is MBA, then go for a good brand, right, even at a salary, low salary. क्योंकि BBA के बाद सैलरी को ज्यादा ध्यान मत देना, एक्सपीरियंस और ब्रांड को ध्यान देना. क्योंकि जब आपका CV, आपका कोई भी रिक्रूटर मतलब कंपनी से जो इंटरव्यू लेते हैं, when they will see your CV, और जो हम लोग लेमैन लैंग्वेज में बायोडाटा बोलते हैं, आपका जो सीवी और रेज्यूमे देखेंगे, वो देखेंगे आपका प्रीवियस एक्सपीरियंस क्या है, कहाँ पे काम किया था आपने। अगर कोई मल्टीनेशनल कॉर्पोरेशन में आपका एक्सपीरियंस है, सैलरी भले ही कम हो बट आपका एक्सपीरियंस है, अच्छा वर्क प्रोफाइल है, you have a good learning experience, definitely such recruiter will prefer you than that of a zero experience MBA. Understood? So go for a better company, good brand, even compromising your salary, right? It's up to you कि salary ज़्यादा important है या work experience important है. Okay, let's meet tomorrow at 9 a.m. Okay, so I'm concluding today's session. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.